Adobe Illustrator has a very unique text feature called touch type. Touch type allows us to break up the baseline of text and the rotation of characters whilst maintaining the editability. So with some type developed, I can go ahead and select it on the artboard. I can click and hold the type tool to display the additional options and scroll down to the bottom to select touch type tool. Alternatively, I can use the keyboard shortcut Shift and T. So now I'm able to select any one of these individual characters. Let's select the O. I can move this up, I can move it down, and I can move it to the side. And you'll see the other characters move to compensate, so they kind of fill in the gap. So as I move down, the other characters move towards the left. So I'm going to put the O down here. I'm going to select the C, I'm going to bring this down. And for consistency, let's also do the same with the T and the P. By clicking to select any individual character, we can use any of the corners to increase or decrease the size. So let's increase the size of this O. Let's click the C, increase the size of this, increase the size of the T. Alternatively, we can use the font size option in the character panel. Clicking the P, I'm going to do exactly that, and I'm going to bring this up to 72 points. As mentioned, we can also rotate the characters, and we do this by the little circle up the top, and we mouse over until we get the double-headed arrow, click and rotate. So selecting the T, doing exactly the same, clicking, bringing towards the left. Clicking the C, I'm going to bring this one towards the right. Click and drag. And finally the O, clicking that circle at the top and dragging towards the left. As you'd imagine, we can colour each character too. So clicking the swatches panel, I'm going to select a purple here. I'm going to select the C. Let's select a green. Next, I'm going to select the T, I'm going to select the red here, and finally I'm going to select the P, and I'm going to assign a yellow to it. So using the touch type tool, we're able to edit each character. And of course, editability also includes the ability to actually change the character. And we do this by selecting the type tool. We can click into any letter and drag across, and type in any other character or characters to replace it. And all those changes that we made to the character are still applicable. So that's touch type. The name derives from the fact that the feature is best used with a touch responsive device, whereby characters can be touched and freely manipulated. However, mouse users can still gain the same benefits as you've just seen. So if you have a project in which you'd like to develop fun or off-the-wall style type, and you wish to maintain editability, touch type is likely to be a viable solution.